Have you ever seen a kind of love so pure it doesn't need words? A love that flows through every glance, every shared meal, every step taken together? Stay with me, because the Hadzabe tribe will show you that real love still exists. Deep in the wild lands of Tanzania lives one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes, the Hadzabe. They own almost nothing, but give everything. Here, love isn't spoken. It's lived. Children are raised by the entire village. Elders are never left to walk alone. When one laughs, all laugh. When one is hungry, all share. It's the kind of bond that many of us have lost and deeply crave. If you believe the world needs more of this love, tap that like button and tell us in the comments, what does love mean to you? In every smile, in every shared hunt, in every hand that lifts another, the Hadzabe remind us that love is not just emotion. It's action, it's connection, it's life. So maybe the world doesn't need more things. Maybe it just needs more hearts like theirs. If this touched you, share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to follow for more stories that warm the heart. Because love like this deserves to be seen.